Okay, started. So with the shape, right, we see this is what? This is single point perspective, right? Then let's draw a line first, okay? Draw a line. This is what? This is horizon line, right? Then okay, this is a path, right? Pretty easy actually. And then let's start from, okay, here I have a path here. And here as well. Okay, and then I'm gonna start with the very first big tree, right? Maybe a little bit more space here. All the way, right? All the way. Although actually the image a little bit like a squarish, so I can use only part of it, right? So okay, I'm gonna use only part of it, or even lower, even lower. That should be fine, right? Even lower, like this. Then you guys can do this as well. Okay. See, try to use the straight line. Okay, for the first tree, and then the second one. Okay, and then the third one. Only those three. The shape is pretty simple, but still there's like the bottom part thicker, the top part little bit like a little bit thin, right? Then okay, here then we see the more trees, but the shape is really not quite clear anymore, right? And okay, there's a lot. Okay, then here we may see a few trees. Okay, just like a simple shape. Here's we can see okay, a little bit bump or the root, that kind of thing, right? Like a little dam like this. Okay, then here's some grass. Okay, then here we see some weird shaped trees, right? Really weird shape on this side. Then there's another one. Okay, this shape even weirder. And then here's a small one. Forget it. I'm not gonna do it, or I can do it later with the paint. And then okay, I see the okay those are the high density leaves on the back, right? I'm gonna do it later. And then so 1, 2, and then 3. Here's another one. Here comes another one. Okay. What about those branches? Forget about that, right? Okay, we don't have time to deal with those branches right now. We just deal with the tree trunk. That's it. Right? Later we're gonna have the branches where we have time to do that. See, that's basically the step 1. Okay, then here, then we see the horizon line is straight, but you see here's the little hill, right? And then here's another hill, then like this, right? Then we need to have this right? This kind of hill. And then on top of hill, there's something, right? Some bushes or trees, right? On the back. So basically that's step one, pretty easy. All right. For what about those branches? Yeah, never mind. We're gonna deal with that later, and we're gonna use brushes to deal with that. All right. So that's step one, guys. You guys try this. All right. Use pencil. So okay, let's watch. Okay. So for me, I finished the pencil sketch. All right. Then next, I'm gonna do the single color sketch, and then I'm gonna use one color. Right? I'm gonna use the blue color. Use blue color. Okay, this is really dark. This is not okay because this is too dark. So what I can do is actually to use some water to make it like a watercolorish. So for the single color sketch, it's really like doing the watercolor. Really like doing the watercolor. So I'm gonna need some water to make it. Ooh, okay, that's fine. To make it really light, right? To make the color really light, right? Now it's really dark. I'm gonna make it really light. And then if you're comfortable, you can use bigger brush, right? I keep talking about this, right? Let's try to use a bigger brush. See, but use more water, right? The color's more lighter, right? Then I'm gonna do the shape one more time. Right? And then, okay, for the shape of this tree. Another one here. And then so we'll use the color, actually single color, right? You can actually fix some of the shapes you're not happy with, right? If the color's not happy, the shape's not happy, not so good, this is a good time to fix. So I actually made some changes to some of the shapes I did, right? Here some of the trees and stuff. All right, then here I started doing the even I use brush, I try to draw those straight line. Okay, here things a little bit different, right? Now I need to have those, better have those dark and bright, those those shadow and stuff. Right now I need to have that from here. Okay, so I'm gonna do it right away. So here, okay, it's dark, right? We know the light come from this direction. Okay, here's dark. Then same with this tree, right? Okay, here's dark. So the shadow part, okay. Then, okay, here, okay, make it even lighter, okay. Really like a watercolor. So I got more water. Okay, you see the bushes, right? Let's consider them as bushes. So let's use really, okay, here, right, you have to make the color really thin, right, so that you later you can easily apply more colors. Denise, if you use oil, okay, same thing, right? Use a little bit of oil, right, to make the color really thin, right, on the back. Make the color really thin. So here, see, some colors cover the tree trunk. Is that matter? No, that's okay. And then bottom, we can see the heel. Make the heel. Okay, and then here actually we can see some lighting. Then let's have that, right? Have this kind of lighting. Then most of the area is dark. Then here we see some light and see some shadow. Right? See the shadow here, and then see the shadow. Okay. Like I mentioned, right here we can make the color really thin. Right? Get more water. Right? Get more water. Make the color really thin. This is a great chance to understand deeper, right? From the value perspective, this is a time to understand this. And then okay, it seems like those are the shadows for this part of the tree. Okay, let's have this. And here's dark. Okay. Okay, here's a tree stump. Okay, this is called detail, right? We can add this stump later. But this is a detail. Better to have this later. Okay, what about other branches? Forget about that. Okay, we have time to do that. Okay, very easy. That's the second step, right? This is called underpaint or single color sketch. So once we finish the single color sketch, right, then time to move on. So we use the traditional way, right? We start from the sky and then move on, right? Then move to the bushes and then to the front. Okay, so from the background to the foreground. All right. So what color can I use for the sky? Okay, so the sky is not easy, right? Not just the one blue color. You see the sky actually from the top really bluish, and then getting warmer and warmer at the bottom. All right, so that's one thing we observed. Then let's try that. Okay. So I can, okay, later I'll tell you guys what color would be better today. Okay, so now just let you guys know that I use the Prussian blue, right? And maybe use a little bit cobalt blue together. Wow, okay, it's pretty dark. I'm okay with that. Okay, now you can see the almost the trees. I do not care about the shape. Do I like a Rihanna? Okay, this is something I have to remind you, right? So did I do this really? Oh, very careful. No, forget it. See, really rough. Okay, so see the branches or the tree trunk on the top. I don't care. I just color over it because I know I I can find it back because I did it twice already, right? We did it twice already. One is a pencil sketch, and then the second one was a single color. So I know I can find back, right? So that's one color for the sky. Is that good enough? No, not enough, because like I said, we see the colors are really different, right? Just not just this kind of color, right? Really complicated. And then when it comes to the bottom, right, getting warmer, then okay, let me try some warm color. Okay, then more white, of course, and then I like to use some red color. Okay, use a little bit of red color, tiny bit red, and then more white. Okay, two pinkish color, too pink, little bit yellow, then tiny bit of yellow. See, my brush is clean, right? I did not use the blue color to mix with red or mix with yellow, because what's gonna happen if I do that? No, that'll be green, because I have yellow color here. It's gonna be like a greenish color. It won't be pretty anymore. So I see. Instead, I tend to. Okay, then okay. It's good. Maybe now I think I can try to make it a little bit purplish. Okay, try a little bit purplish. That's I think that's the sky color, and then more yellowish, reddish for some parts, right? Really bright. Then I'll just do it. Okay, see, sky, and then still the sky, but a little bit down to the bottom, right? Down to the trees. And then what? Then I'm gonna continually do the bushes on the back. Okay, guys, look, I'm gonna use I do not use I'm not gonna choose to use green instead. See, this is a Prussian blue color. I'm not gonna use green, right? And then I use red, right? See, when those two colors mix together, really dark already, really dark. Okay, really dark. Then I feel like I want to make it more warmer, this part, right? See, I use more red, then try some yellow, and then more red. Okay, now I'm gonna use some white color, some white. Guys, look, see? Okay, now I have two type of colors. Okay, two type of colors I mixed, you see? Then I'm gonna do it, all right? Wow, this is dark. So I do not use black, right? No black color, see? No black. This is really like a brownish color, right? This is really brownish color, right? Still, the shape of the trees, right? Really do not care at this moment. Okay, this is brown, right? This color actually is called underpaint, underpaint, because later I have pretty color on top. See, this is brownish color, right? Really not pretty, right? Is this pretty? It's not. But okay, now look, things gonna change. More red, more yellow. What is this color? Is this pretty? This color getting pretty, right? Look, is this pretty? This color pretty? Yeah. Give me a yes, right? It's better. See? On top, see? At the bottom, I use a dark color. On the top, see? And then not enough. You say, hey, Sam, not pretty enough. Okay, all right, a little bit more, and then mix some, get some orange color-ish. See, look, this better, this color better, and then see, and then a little bit red here. Some part really bright. Then be careful. Okay, and here as well. And then here's more. Okay, get a little bit greenish. And then a little bit white to make it more like a greenish kind of thing, right? And white. And here I see some greenish color. Here I see some green color here. Actually, the green, actually I use the blue color, right, to mix, to have that kind of greenish color, that kind of feeling, right? And here. All right, here actually more greenish color, right? So I have this color here. Actually, then instead I use the blue to replace the green color. The bottom, okay, really dark blue color. And then the edges, right? We see some edges, right? Like kind of like a green color, see? And here, okay, on top, like a little bit green. Give it a little bit green color, right? Be a little bit generous, right? That's a background, right? That's sort of the background. So I can add a little bit more here, a little bit more here. Okay, tiny bit more. All right, that's my background. Okay, it's my background. What you think? See? Good. All right, let's do this.
A little orange and green.
So I have the bushes, right, on the back. Actually, not bush, right? Those still the trees, right? Then I think I'm okay with that, but the color, I feel like I can make it little bit warmer than this. Then I can continually to do some changes. Okay, still keep the brush dry, right? And then if I really need some water, then just a dip, right? Use the tip of the brush to dip a little bit water, right? Then tiny bit brighter. Okay, the chroma level can be a little bit higher. Okay, then see, even see some of the parts I can make it. And then the top part a little bit brighter here. Okay, and then I feel like I can see the really like a purplish color, right, on the top for the top part of the you call it branches, or you can call it the leaves are all okay, right? So see, more purple color, right, on the top. Get some of that, and then here a little bit of that feeling. Okay, I think, okay, I'm good for this part. Okay, see, keep fixing, keep fixing. Then I'm gonna do um all the no foreground. Okay, so since I have this color right now, so I'm gonna do this path. Okay, so bluish color here. See here, really dark, right? Because this is a path. So I'm gonna just do it. I really like a bluish color here, but make some some white and a little bit red as well. And okay, here a little bit brighter. Probably the bricks. Okay. And then we have some bright part, right? So yeah, let's do it. Since I'm working on it, just get it done once. So for the bright side, is it bright enough? Not really. More yellow. More yellow. Okay. Yeah. Just put it here for now. Maybe I'll fix it later. Okay. Then time for the grass. Okay. So like I said, we don't have blue, right? So that's fine, right? So we don't have green color. We have um, all kinds of blue, and then we can mix, right? Mix with yellow. Then we have the blue color we need, and it's more bluish. Yeah. More yellow. More yellow as well. And then okay, much brighter. Then I use some medium yellow plus more white. Here as well, and here some. And then okay, I can see some here. And then one color on the top. Then mix some blue color here. Okay, I have the foreground as well. So is this all? No, not enough, right? We will fix more, right? We can more stuff later. But yeah, this is for now, right? So I'll give you guys time to do this now. Okay, you guys try, right? Then the branches, those big tree trunks will be the last.